The newest fashion trends of switches and sockets. Infinite range. Super slim plate design, stylish looking. Curved shape on the both sides, square corner, round corner. 3 types of panels for your choice. Normal PC plate, upgraded to skin touch feeling panels, and finger painting on panels. More smoothing touching. Multi-colors are available: white, silver, gold, gray, black, etc. Various models for you to choose from. The middle plate is plating iron plate. It makes the whole structure stronger. Copper material and silver contact inside. Stable quality and more durable. The base is also made of good PC material. It makes the plate fireproof well and longer life. Hope you will like it.